Not failure but low M is crime. With that inspiration thought, welcome again in online chemistry class. This is Mr. Naresh Jangid. In previous online class, we have discussed 20 multiple choice questions and about preparation of gem dihalide. First of all, we discuss about homework question. Question was identify A in following reaction. A plus PCl5 converted into ethylidene chloride, H plus POCl3. Solution. From the structure of product, A is equal to CH3 C double bond H, mean acetaldehyde. From second previous class, homework question was from second previous class. I repeat, question was write chemical equation for synthesis of toluene from benzene and write the name of reaction. Important question. So solution is, it is benzene molecule and it is haloalkane molecule. For example, methyl chloride. In nitrobenzene solvent, we have discussed in our previous class. In nitrobenzene solvent, when alkyl halide is treated with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, after removing of HCl molecule, alkyl benzene is formed. Here it is methyl benzene or toluene. It is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Very important. I hope your answers are right. Without wasting of time, let us begin today's class. Today we have discussed about multiple choice question. So first question is, example of haloalkane is, solution is A, methyl chloride. Second question, the increasing order of dipole moment is, solution is B. Now next, third question, anti-Markovnikov's rule of HBr is not shown by, solution is C, because it is not, here asked not, so solution I repeat, anti-Markovnikov's rule of HBr is not shown by, solution will be B, butene, because it is a symmetrical alkene, while anti-Markovnikov's rule is applied on unsymmetrical alkene like pent-2-ene. So answer will be butene. Now next, question 4. The reaction is given below known as, solution is Honse-Dicker reaction. Here, monocarboxylic acid, salt of monocarboxylic acid is treated with Br2 in presence of CCl4, then alkyl bromide is formed after removing of CO2 and AgBr molecule. So it is known as Hunsdiecker reaction. Now next, question 5. The best reason to prepare chloroalkane from alcohol thionyl chloride, Darjan's reaction. Now next, question 6 is tertiary alkyl halide are inert towards SN2 mechanism. The reason for it is steric hindrance effect. So solution is C. Now next, 7th question. Excess amount of ethyl chloride when treated with ammonia, then we get tetraethyl ammonium chloride. Option C. It is known as Hofmann ammonolysis reaction. We have discussed about it in our previous classes. Now next, question 8. When propyl halide is heated with alcoholic NaOH, then we get solution is propene. Solution is propene. It is a dehydrohalogenation reaction or elimination reaction. Question 9. For the following bromide, iodide, chloride, the increasing order of nucleophilicity would be. Solution is A. Chloride, bromide, iodide. Question 10. Which of the following reactions is an example of nucleophilic substitution reaction? So solution is A. It is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. Question 11. Which of the following compounds has the highest BP? Very important question. Solution is 1-chlorobutane because its molar mass is high. Because boiling point is directly proportional to the molar mass. So solution is C. 1-chlorobutane here. Now next, question 12. Reaction of haloalkane with aromatic compounds in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 is known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. Now next, question 13. Reaction of methyl chloride with aqueous NaOH involves. Solution will be SN2 mechanism. Now next, question 14. Which of the following shows SN1 reaction most readily? So solution is D because it is 3-degree alkyl halide. Now next, question 15. Following is the substitution reaction in which chloride replaced by cyanide. Chemical equation. To obtain propanenitrile alkyl chloride should be 15 question. So solution will be chloroethane. Very important. Now next, question 16. The azo dehydrohalogenation of haloalkane with alcoholic KOH is. Option C. Solution is option C. Decreasing order 3 to 1 degree. Now next, question 17. Which one of the following reaction proceeds through free radical chain mechanism? So solution is photochemical chlorination of methane. In method of preparation of haloalkane we have discussed in previous video. So solution will be photochemical chlorination of methane. Now next, question 18. Which of the following is not true for SN1 reaction? Solution is C. 1-degree alkyl halides generally react with SN1 reaction because in question not true. For SN1 reaction, so answer will be C, option C. Question 19 is, so solution is D, second and fourth. Second and fourth. Now next, question 20. Question 20. The correct IUPAC name of the following compound is, solution will be 4-bromo 3-methyl pent 2-in. I hope your maximum solutions are right. Now, in today's class, in method of preparation of dihalogen derivatives for vicinal dihalide, methods of preparation of vicinal dihalide. First method is by alkanes. By alkanes. In 11th class, we have discussed about this reaction that alkanes are known as olefin. When alkanes are treated with halogen in CCl4, then vicinal dihalide is formed. For example, it is ethene molecule. When ethene is treated with Cl2 in CCl4, then 1,2-dichloroethane is formed. It is a vicinal dihalide. Now next, second method of preparation of vicinal dihalide is from glycol. We shall discuss in chapter 11 classification of alcohols based on number of OH group. Glycol is a dihydroxy alcohol. So it is a dihydroxy alcohol, ethylene glycol or glycol. When glycol is treated with PCl5, here 2 OH group is present in glycol molecule, so 2 molecules of PCl5 is participate, so vicinal dihalide is obtained here. After removing of 2 molecules of phosphorus oxychloride and 2 molecules of HCl, here it is vicinal dihalide 1,2-dichloroethane. Third type of dihalogen derivative, which is known as alpha omega dihalide or polymethylene halide. For preparation method, polymethylene halide. Method of preparation by Honsch-Dekker's reaction. Honsch-Dekker reaction. Honsch-Dekker reaction. When silver salts of dicarboxylic acid reacts with bromine in CCl4, then polymethylene halides are obtained. This is known as Hunsaker reaction. For example, it is a silver salt of dicarboxylic acid when it treated with Br2. Here, two Ag atoms are present, so two Br2 molecules are participate in presence of CCl4. After removing of two molecules of CO2, and two molecules of AgBr, 1,4-dibromobutane is formed here, which is alpha omega dihalide. Now next, physical properties of dihalogen derivatives. First point is dihalogen derivatives are colorless, sweet smelling liquids. Second point is they are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents like ether, benzene, chloroform. Third point is they are heavier than water. Now next, chemical properties. Now next, chemical properties of dihalogen derivatives. Chemical properties of dihalogen derivatives. First is very important, hydrolysis. Very important. Zam dihalides hydrolyzed with aqueous KOH or NaOH to give carbonyl compound, whereas vicinal dihalides give glycol. For example, it is 1,1-dichloroethane molecule when treated with aqueous KOH after removing of two molecules of potassium chloride, a unstable compound is formed which have two OH group on one carbon atom. It is unstable. After removing of one water molecule, then carbonyl compound is formed. Here acetaldehyde is formed. Here 1,1-dichloroethane is zamenal dihalide. Now next, second example, vicinal dihalide, which gives glycol. So, for example of vicinal dihalide, 1,2-dichloroethane. When 1,2-dichloroethane is treated with aqueous KOH, then removing of two molecules of potassium chloride, glycol is formed here. Now next, we take a question for homework. A question for homework. Identify A and B in the following reaction. Very important question. Benzyl chloride is treated with aqueous KOH, then a unstable compound A is formed and A is converted into B here. Identify A and B in following reaction. I hope you liked this video. Do share this video with your friends. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.